How to measure your head accurately to achieve the best results when ordering bespoke ByLauraMayers Perfect Fit Clip-In Hair Extensions. First, section your hair 2 fingers up from the base of your hairline and clip the rest of your hair on top of your head. Then, take your flexible tape measure and starting 1/2 inch from the inside of your hairline, measure along the parting until 1/2 inch inside the hairline on the other side of your head. This will give you measurement number 1. This should typically be between 5 inches and 7 inches, 13 to 18 centimeters. Next, section your hair again. Another 2 fingers up from the last section. Take your tape measure and measure along the parting across your head. Take the measurement on both sides, 1 inch inside your hairline. This will give you the measurement number 2. This measurement may range between 6 inches and 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters. Change your section again. This time taking it from the tip of your ears, just slightly underneath your crown to the other side. As before, measure across the parting of the section and 1 inch either side from your hairline. This will give you measurement number 3, which is usually between 8 inches and 10 inches, 21 to 26 centimeters. Now, for the side pieces, measure 2 fingers back from the tip of your ear and part your hair straight up and over the top of your head. Tie the bottom part into a ponytail or clip back. Then, measure 2 fingers up from above your ear and split and clip your hair up. Starting 1 inch from the hairline, which should be close to your temple area, measure along the parting until you reach the parting that goes across the top of your head. This will give your measurement numbers 4 and 5. Typically, this will be in the range of 2 inches to 4 inches, 5 to 10 centimeters. Pieces 6, 7, 8 and 9 will be single pieces which can be placed as needed and therefore don't need a specific measurement. Now, simply visit the ByLauraMayers shop, enter your measurements, choose your colour, length and weight. Don't forget you can also send some strands of your own hair to be perfectly colour matched, and you'll receive your very own perfect fit clip-in hair extensions by ByLauraMayers. We hope you love them as much as we do.